So hopefully I've given you a quick introduction to Discourse as a forum, how easy it is to get on there, use it. User experience is great. Lots of different things it can do, multiple things that you're going to be able to do with it. What I'll do on my website is I will put I'll put a training course together, and I'll start doing some. I'll put links to how to install it and how to admin and set it up. And you can ask me questions, and I will get back to you and hopefully give you better answers that you're looking for specific things. There's also a Discourse forum to do a community themselves. Here, the community is meta.discourse.org. Any question you've got, these guys you would expect are brilliant. They answer everything. You just need to sign up, log in, ask questions. I've asked questions many a time on there. And those guys are brilliant at answering and creating things for you. If you come up with something, I need this to happen, and click this to my website. I didn't go through the WordPress plugin. There's an actual WordPress plugin that gets you to log in and post your comments on your forum, go onto your website, and all sorts of cool things. You can embed your questions and topics in different websites, and all sorts of functionality. I mean, it's pretty limitless to what you want it to do. So I hope I've given you a good introduction to Discourse today, giving you some ideas on how easy it is to use. I know I've flown through it. We can go more in depth in it later on. If you go with digitalhosting.com, it would be great if you use my partner link, or if we DigitalOcean, that would be great too. The links are in the description. They'll probably be on the page all the way through. Any questions, you know where I am. Leave a comment below, or come to the training, ask in the training, and I will help out as best I can. And if you've got this far, it would be amazing if you subscribed. Have a great day. See you all again soon. Dive into Discourse. Get started. You definitely won't regret it. Cheers.